Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Darius from ArtistShortcut.com, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to make people appreciate your music. So this video is specifically for those of you who have not watched my How to Build Your Fanbase videos. If you've watched my How to Build Your Fanbase videos, you probably already know this. But I recently received an email from a guy and he asked me, how do you make people appreciate your music? Because when you're upcoming, nobody seems to give you a shot or give you a chance. You don't make people appreciate your music in the beginning. They won't appreciate your music because they just don't appreciate you as a person. Making people appreciate your music comes secondary. You want people to appreciate you. And to do that, you have to build fans. You have to become kind of important to people. And to do that, a lot of it is built off friendship. So to make people appreciate your music, they have to appreciate you. And in order to appreciate you, you gotta kind of be a friend. You gotta be a good person to them. It's not like it was back in the day where music was the differentiator between a guy on the street and an artist. That's not the case anymore. I can make music in my bedroom. You can make music in your bedroom. And, you know, we can make Billboard 100 songs in our actual bedroom. Music is just so easy to create nowadays that it's not the thing that separates you. That doesn't make you important just because you make music. The important part comes from you, your character, you as a person, your persona, what you do, your interests, your friends. All that stuff makes you interesting. And then music is just that thing that we get behind because we appreciate you and we want to support you. So please, guys, do not focus on trying to put your music on people. Don't do that. That's not the point in the beginning. The point is not to make people listen to your music and love your music. It's to interact with people and make them love you, because if they love you, then they'll love your music as a byproduct of wanting to support you and wanting to see you win. So guys, that just answers that question from an email. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or shoot me an email. And if I do not actually reply to the email or the comment itself, I'll likely just create a video. That way I can always reference it in the future if someone asks that question. So I'm Darius from ArtistShortcut.com, and I'll talk to you guys in about a week.